Dear students, in this video I will discuss about this cement stabilization. Okay, how if a pavement is constructed using cement stabilization. First of all, cement is applied in dry state and it is mixed with soil in the dry state, like what we do for preparation of concrete. And then water is sprinkled using special machinery like this one throughout the length of the construction. Here again you can directly apply the water to the cement and then that cement slurry is sprinkled. That is also possible. This is another picture showing the water applied to the mixture directly. Field testing is done to measure the strength of the compacted soil. Okay, SPT tests are done, standard penetration tests are done. You see, this is the collection of samples, coring machine. The cores are taken because already hardened, so you may not be able to do any kind of compaction control test. So you drill the samples from the field, like using coring machines. Okay. Then dynamic concentration test can also be done to the subgrade. Okay, so this is another picture of that. There are several benefits for cement stabilization. It is economical because it is bonded strongly. There will not be any kind of failure immediately. Stabilized subgrade you can get. Subgrade swell will not be there. It has the long-term life of 30 years or more. So these are the benefits of cement stabilization over lime stabilization. Okay, we will meet with some other videos related to ground improvement techniques.